Hi, I'm Erin Sainblane for Adafruit, and for today's project we're making this super cool RGB matrix stained glass panel. I'm using one of Adafruit's RGB matrix panels plus a MatrixPortal board, which just plugs right into the back. Now, these matrices come in all different sizes. We got little tiny ones and great big ones. So you can really make your vision come to life. And then it has a laser cut layer of an octopus on the front. And I'm running WLED, which is an easy, free, open source program that allows you to have a whole bunch of different animations and button control with no coding at all. As always, you can see the full build tutorial on learn.adafruit.com. So take a look, and if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and enjoy some more fun projects.